Now in this presentation I would like to explain about how to convert the hexadecimal number to a binary number and hexadecimal number to an octal number. Okay. So now I will explain some of the problems related to these two conversions. Okay. So the first one is hexadecimal number to a binary number. Hexadecimal to binary. Okay. So here I consider a problem. So that is A1 to 16. So here this is an hexadecimal number. This hexadecimal number is converting into a binary. So what is the process? So here any hexadecimal number is, this is an hexadecimal number. So any hexadecimal number is converting into a binary. So it will follows two steps. Okay. So here the step number 1 is this hexadecimal number is converting into binary. The first number is this hexadecimal number is converting into decimal, and next step number 2 is this decimal number is converting into a binary. Okay. For this the given problem, so this is A1. So first this A1 is an hexadecimal value. This hexadecimal value is converting into decimal. So how to convert? So here this is a 16 power 0 and this is a 16 power 1. So here that is A into 16 power 1 plus 1 into 16 power 0. See, so A is nothing but 10. So that means 10 into 16 plus 16 power 0 is nothing but 1. So that is 1. So here 10 into 16, that is 160 plus 1, that is 161. See, so here the first step is completed. That means the hexadecimal is converting into decimal. So here this is a decimal number. Now this decimal number is converting into binary. So what is the process for converting of? This is the step number 1 and this is the step number 2. So for converting of this decimal number to binary, so what is the process? So this is an integer part. So that's why we will divide this decimal number to binary. So that is 161 is dividing with 2. Okay. So that is 80. So 8 2s are 160. So that is remainder is 1, and after that again dividing with 2. So that is 40. The remainder is 0, and again dividing with 2. So that is 20. The remainder is 0, and after again dividing with 2. So that is 10. The remainder is 0, and after that it will dividing with 2, and the remainder is 1, and 5 2s are 10. So that means here the remainder is 0, and after that the 5 is dividing with 2 again. So here 2 2s are 4. So therefore the remainder is 1. So and after that and again dividing with 2. So 1 2s are 2. So therefore the remainder is 0. So how can we write the total answer? So here from bottom to top. So the from likewise from this to this we have to write. So here likewise you have to write the answer. So therefore the corresponding hexadecimal value to the binary value is, that is 101 10 101 0000 00001. Okay. So here this is the corresponding binary number. So in this way we will do the operation. Okay, so this is the problem for our next. Coming to the next problem. So if in case any binary number, that means any binary point is there in the given problem. So how can we do the problem? Okay, the problem is here. This is the second problem. So the problem is 0 point a to the base 16. So here this number is converting into binary. So what is the first step? Here first that hexadecimal value is converting into binary. So decimal, sorry, binary. So that decimal. So that is, so here so this is 0 point a. So here this is a 16 power 0 and this is a 16 power minus 1. Okay. So and after that 0 into 16 power 0 plus a into 16 power minus 1. So here a is nothing but 10. 10 by 16 is equal to 0.625. Okay. So here this is the decimal equivalent of this hexadecimal value. So and next step number 2. So next in the step number 2 we will convert this decimal value to binary. So this is a fractional value. So how to convert? For fractional value you have to multiply with 2. So that is 0.625 is multiplying with 2. So the number is 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. So 6 2s are 12, that is 1.50. So here this 1 is the remainder, we will take it as a reminder. Therefore the next one is 0.250 is multiplying with 2. Okay. So 2 into 0 is 0. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. So that is 0.50. So here the 1 is the, here the 0 is the remainder, we will take it as outside. And next point is 0.50 is again multiplying with 2. Okay. So this is a 0. So and after that 5 2s are 10, that is 1.0. So here the 1 is a remainder and take it as outside. Okay. So and after that it is 0.00 is multiplying with 2. So that means here this is, we will stop this process. Why? Because the coefficient is 0. So here this process is repeating. When the coefficient is equal to 0, then we will stop that process. Now for this fractional part, the answer is from top to bottom. So from integer part bottom to top, for this fractional part for top to bottom. Okay. So the final answer for this corresponding decimal value, that means the corresponding hexadecimal value is, that is 0.101. 101 is the decimal, is the corresponding binary value for this hexadecimal value, that is 0.A16 is equal to base. Okay. So this is the final value, and after that we will convert the hexadecimal to octal. Hexadecimal to hexadecimal to octal. Okay. Now, for explanation purpose, consider one problem. So, that is here FACE is an hexadecimal number. This hexadecimal number is converting into an octal number. So, the first step, so every problem for in method number 3, there is the same problem. First of all, you have to convert the given number into decimal number, and after that what the asked number is there, and after that number. Okay. So, here the first step is this hexadecimal value is converting into decimal. So, this means hexa to decimal. So, FACE. So, here this is a 16 power 0, this is 16 power 1, and this is 16 power 2, and this is 16 power 1, and after that, so that is F into 16 power 3 here. So, F into 16 cube plus A into 16 square plus C into 16 power 1 plus E into 16 power 0. Okay. So, here F is nothing but 15. So, that means 15 into 16 cube. After A is nothing but 10. So, here this is 10 into 16 square. So, here C is nothing but 12, that is 12 into 16 power 1, and after that, so E is nothing but 14. So, that is 14 into 16 power 0. Therefore, we have to simplify this number. The final number is 64206 is the answer. That means the FACE is an hexadecimal number, that the corresponding binary number is 64206. Now, this 64206 is converting into octal number system. So, here this is 64206. 64206 is converting into a hexadecimal number system. Okay. So, here this is an hexadecimal number. So, 8 8s are 64, and this is 0, 2 8s are 16, and after that 46. So, 5 8s are 40. So, here the remainder is 6, and after that, and again dividing with 8. So, here the 10 8s are 80. So, and 0. So, here 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, and after that, so here 9. So, here the 9 is there. So, here the 3. So, likewise you have, okay. So, and after that, so this is 3, and the remainder is 1, and again we will divide with this 8. So, here that is 125, okay. So, and the remainder is 3, and after that this again divide with 8, and this is 15, and the remainder is 5, and after that again divide with 8. So, 1 8s are 8. So, the remainder is 7. Okay. So, finally, how to write the answer? The answer from bottom to top. So, here from 1 7 5 3 1 6. Okay. So, here this is the corresponding answer for the given number, that is 64206. Okay. So, now up to now we have discussed how to convert. Up to now we have discussed how to convert the number systems, that is from one number to another number, that is decimal number to any other number systems, any other number systems to binary number systems. So, by using these through two methods, we have another method, those are how to convert binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal, and also how to convert octal to binary and octal to hexadecimal, and also how to convert hexadecimal to binary and hexadecimal to octal. Okay. So, these are the conversions we have discussed. So, now we will discuss the conversion table of decimal numbers and hexadecimal numbers, octal numbers and binary numbers. So, before going to the conversion table, so I will explain some important points. So, here if we consider any digital number system. So, for example, here this is a digital number system. If we give inputs to this number, so that inputs are, that means n is an input. So, therefore, this digital number system which produces, okay, so 2 power n number of combinations, 2 power n number of combinations. Okay. So, here this how can we write? So, here for example, if n is equal to 1 we are giving. So, how many combinations it will produces? So, that is nothing but 2 power 1. So, 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. So, that means, so it will produces the 2 combinations. So, it will produces the 2 combinations. So, those are the 2 combinations, those are the either 0 and 1. Okay. So, these are the 2 combinations. So, for example, if we consider n is equal to 2. So, that means we have to give the 2 inputs or 2 variables if we consider. So, it will produces 2 power n. So, n is nothing but 2. So, therefore, 2 square. So, 2 square is equal to 4. That means it will produces the 4 combinations. So, it will produces the 4 combinations. So, what are that combinations? So, those combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So, here this is 0 0 is nothing but 0. Okay. So, and after that 0 1 is nothing but 1. So, how can you say that? So, here this is 1. So, we write as a 2 power 0 and 2 power 1. So, here 2 power 0 is nothing but 1. So, therefore, I will put 1 here. So, this is an equivalent decimal number, for this is a binary number, and after that 1 0. So, this is also 2 power 0 and 2 power 1. So, here 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. So, therefore, here this is decimal value 2, and after that 1 1. So, that means this is 2 power 0 and this is 2 power 1. So, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 0 is 1. So, that means 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, therefore, it will produces, likewise it will produces the 4 combinations, those are 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, and next if we consider the number is equal to 3, that means the number of inputs is equal to 3. So, if n is equal to 3, we will consider, that is 2 power n is equal to 2 cube, that is 8 combinations. So, 8 combinations. Those 8 combinations are, so that means 0, 0, 0. So, here I will take n is equal to 3, that means the number of inputs is 3 or the number of variables is 3. So, then it will produces 8 combinations. So, that means 0 0 0. This is decimal equivalent 0 and this is 0 0 1. So that is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. Okay. So here 2 power 0 is nothing but 1. So that's why I will put here 1, remaining all are zeros. Therefore this is the equivalent number of 1. And next after that 2. So 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. So here therefore I will put 1 here, remaining 2 are zeros. So therefore this is number 2. And after number 3. So 3 is nothing but 2 power 1 is 2 and 2 power 0 is 1. So that means 2 power 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So therefore I will put here 1 1 0 here. Okay. So therefore this is the 3 for the decimal equivalent number. Okay. And after that 4. 2 square is equal to 4. So therefore 1 0 0 here this is 4. And after that 5. 5 is nothing but 4 plus 1. So here this is 4. 1 is 2 power 0 is nothing but 1. So therefore we have to put 0 here and 1 here. So this is the 5. Okay. And after that number 6. 6 is nothing but here this is a 4. Okay. 2 square is equal to 4 and 2 power 1 is equal to 2. So that means 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore you have to write 1 1 here and put here 0. This is 6. Okay. And after that the number 7. So that means 2 square is 4 and 2 power 1 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 power 0 is 1. That means 4 plus 2 plus 1. That is nothing but 6. So here this is the equivalent number 7. So likewise we have to write the number of combinations depending upon applied inputs. So for example if we consider 4 here, that means how many inputs are we will take? So that means another input is also we will take, that is 2 power 4. So for example if we take n is equal to 5 and also we will take 2 power 5 also. Okay. So likewise we have to take the number of inputs or the number of variables. Okay. Now we will draw the table for this, all the converting table. Okay. So the first one is decimal. And next one is hexadecimal. Okay. And decimal, hexadecimal, and after that octal and binary. Okay. Here I consider 4 inputs. So that is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So hexadecimal values are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that capital A, B, C, D, E and F, and octal numbers are from 0 to 7. So those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 again it will start, that is 1 0, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Okay, so here up to 17. Now this is important for this the binary. So how to write this binary values for the corresponding decimal equivalents. Okay, I am already told up to 0 to 7. So those are, I will consider the 4 inputs. So that's why I consider 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 means nothing but 0, 0, 0. So 1 is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 1. So here the 2 is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0. So if we can't understand, we have to write like this also. So here 2 square and here 2 power 4. And we will represent the 3, number 3. So here 0, 0. So 3 is nothing but 2 plus 1. So that's why 1, 1. And after that 4. So here this is 4. 4 is nothing but 2 square. So we will put here 1 and remaining zeros. And the next one is 5. So here this is 5 is nothing but 0. So 5 is 2 power 2 square 0 and 1. So here this is the 5. And next one is 6. 6 is nothing but 4 plus 2, that is 1, 1, 0. And next one is 7. 7 is nothing but 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. After that 8. So here this is a 2 cube. Okay. So 8 is nothing but what? Here this is 8. So I will draw for this 8. These numbers are corresponding to these decimal numbers. So 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So therefore I will put here 1, remaining all are zeros. Next number is 9. So here 9 is nothing but 8 plus 1. So therefore 1 here and 1 here, both are zeros. And after that 10. So 10 is nothing but what? So here this is 8 and 2 power 1. So here this is 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0. And after that the 11. So 1, 0, 1, 1. And after that the 12 is 1, 1, 0, 0. And next one is 13. So 13 is 1, 1, 0, 1. 14. After that 14 is, so here the 14 is 1, 1, 1, 0. So therefore the 15 is 1, 1, 1. So here these are the corresponding binary values to this decimal numbers. So likewise you have to represent the binary values to the corresponding decimal values. Okay. So these are the very important. Okay na? Okay. So that means, so here okay, thank you.